Hey, welcome to another product review from Medical Gear Outfitters. Wanted to show you this product here today. So this is a 4x4 gauze that's impregnated with the QuikClot material that we're used to seeing when like the combat gauze, things like that. I did a video also on the EMS roll gauze. So same concept, but this is in a 4x4 gauze. And you're thinking, why do I need a 4x4 gauze with combat gauze, QuikClot in it? Head wounds. These things, like you get a nick in the head, somebody gets hit in the head, they bleed awful. So this is something here that you could hold pressure for, boom, without busting up a whole roll of combat gauze, which can get expensive. So if someone gets a head lack, even a face, things like that, they bleed a lot. So a 4x4 gauze is all you really need. This is impregnated with the QuikClot, so it's gonna help it control the bleeding faster. So top of the head, injuries, things like that, I would recommend the 4x4 gauze. I'll put a link down below. You guys know that. Thank you guys for watching. You never know when you'll be the first responder. Remember, you need the right gear and the right training.